Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janani. So after a long time I'm doing a long video, right? So today I'm gonna do a Nykaa and Amazon haul based video. So I've bought few makeup and few skincare products just for myself. So I'm gonna share it with you today. So yeah, let's see what are those. But before going into today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get into the video. First, I'm going to show you the products that I've bought here. So I guess it's a little too much. So these are the products. Let's see one by one what are those products. There was a hot pink sale offer going on in Nykaa, so I thought of purchasing little few items and of affordable makeup products so that I could review those just for you all. First is the Plum Moisturizer. So this is their oil-free moisturizer. I've been eyeing on this for a very long time, but after I got to know that they have gone fragrance-free, I just have to grab those and try it because they're affordable for the quantity they get. Yeah, this one I've used it today for this makeup look. This makeup look video will be up next week, guys, so stay tuned for this simple, glam, beautiful look. This comes in a bottle with pump packaging and it comes in 50 ml and it costs $4.70. 2 pumps is just enough for my entire face and neck. It moisturizes properly for a oily to very oily skin, so it's perfect for those skin types, and it leaves a very matte finish, which personally I love it. So if you have oily to very oily skin, definitely give this a try. This is a good buy. Actually, I picked a Plum body mist and I got this shower gel which is in the variant Tropical Mango. I'm yet to try this out, so after trying this out I'll let you know. Most of my self-care product reviews I do it in my Instagram page, so if you want to know my honest reviews on self-care products, don't forget to check out my Instagram pages. Actually, I bought a sample of that particular variant of body mist from Smitten, and after using that sample my family loved it, so I tried to purchase it in the Nykaa sale. I guess I got 100 to 120 rupees offer, so it was a steal deal for me. Just wait for a second, guys, I'll show you. I have to take it from the cupboard. This is the body mist that I was speaking about to you all. This is in the range Hawaiian Rumba. This smells so good, you guys, and it stays for a pretty long time for a body mist. Oh my god, it smells like a luxurious perfume kind of a scent, I would say. I really love it. My whole family loves it. For 150 ml, 525 rupees. Just tiny amount is great for a whole day, so I guess it's worth a buy. I got it for around 375 or something. So I've been using this particular variant razor for removing my body hair, so I just restocked the blades of the razor. The first makeup product is the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation. So I picked the shade Foxy Chestnut 13. I usually refer to Satyapriya's and Jovita George's shade range, and then I pick my shade because almost their shades relate to my skin tone. So I picked Foxy Chestnut, and really, guys, have to tell you, this was the first ever foundation that matched, like truly matched my skin tone. And this is such a beautiful medium to buildable coverage foundation which I'm wearing today. It covers all the blemishes and hyperpigmentations, your imperfections so well, and gives a beautiful satin matte finish, perfect for everyday use. What else to say? I will definitely review it in detail if you want to. So comment down below if you want me to review this product. So next I bought this Lips Don't Lie lip liner, and it is in the shade Sweetheart Pink. I was actually searching for a good pink lip liner, so this was in an offer, so I grabbed it out. This is how the shade looks like, and I'm wearing it today. I'm lining the lips. I will definitely share the lip combo that I've used today in my next video. This is so creamy. What to say, it's not highly pigmented, but it's a decently pigmented one. It stays for a good amount of time. Even if the lipstick goes off, the lip liner stays put. So yeah, I got it for an offer, so I guess it's worth it. This one is the Nykaa Black Magic Kajal. So as I bought these two products, this was for free. I already have a Nykaa Kajal, so I'm planning to give this out to one of my follower. Also guys, I am gonna do a giveaway in my Instagram, so if you have Instagram account, you can definitely check it out, and if you like my content, you can follow all the rules on my giveaway and you can win few exciting products, self-care and makeup products. Yeah, next is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation, and this is in the shade C380 Cool Walnut. You know, I bought two shades from their range, which is N360 and C390. Yeah, Cool Cocoa, I guess. Yeah, one shade was too light and one shade was too dark. I tried to mix and match, but it didn't happen. So I tried this shade after I saw Joita George's video, as I said you before. This one, what I say, it's not 100% match because it's cool tone and I have neutral tone skin, but I can make it work after I apply a good brightening concealer which is warm toned, and I can balance it with this. But this is a good shade match for me, and you already know that I love the way it sits on my skin. It provides a matte finish, a perfect medium to buildable coverage foundation, very affordable one. So yeah, the next product is the L'Oreal Superstar False Lashes Mascara. This has two shades, which is a primer and then the mascara. This is what I'm wearing today and I'm completely impressed by the result. So this is the primer side. First you have to apply and just wait for a minute or two until it dries. Then you can coat it with this actual mascara. This I haven't even I haven't even used an eyelash curler. Just with these mascara, I'm really satisfied with the results that it gave me. A super natural fluttery eyelashes which has lifted and curled as well. This is the Lakme Insta eyeliner in the shade blue. I was actually searching for a good blue eyeliner because we get bored of every time wearing black eyeliners, right? So I got this blue eyeliner and oh my god, the pigmentation, royal blue, it is so good, right? I was wearing this yesterday for my festive simple look for Vinayak Chaturthi and I absolutely loved it. This is not water resistant or waterproof. It is not smudge proof as well, but it stays matte and it is so good. The pigmentation is top notch. Actually, I first saw this in Oshina's video, Shalini's. So I was thinking to try it off, but I was thinking whether it would pop up in our dusky skin tones. But then since it's affordable, I thought let's give it a try. But really I'm very impressed. For the price, this just costs 130 rupees and I got it for 90 rupees, I guess. Yeah, this is completely worth the buy. I also saw this in Shweta Vijay video. Which next is the Swiss Beauty Gloss Me Lip Gloss. I only own one lip gloss, as you know, which is a Nykaa lip gloss. So I thought of purchasing a clear one so that I can match it with any of my lip colors, and I'm wearing it today. Definitely guys, this is not at all sticky. As you can see, this is not at all sticky. Usually lip glosses are sticky, right? It is not at all sticky. It is very lightweight. I love this a lot. And yeah, I will show you the texture. It is like a thick watery gel kind of a consistency, which is so good, lightweight. It provides an ultimate shining reflective gloss kind of a feeling. What else do you want from a lip gloss? We need a non-sticky and weightless, which is not at all feeling like we are wearing it, right? So this is so good and it just retails for rupees 199, which is great. This is so good, you guys. I got it after seeing Made by Mona's video. So that's about Nykaa purchases. Next, I'm gonna speak about my small little Amazon haul. So the first one is the Nikake Contour Duo. It is in the shade N9, I guess. Yeah, ND009. So this has this, like, it's not warm, it's cool, neutral tone, and this is a cool tone brown shade. This is too dark for my skin tone, so if you have a skin tone which is darker than me, you can definitely use this one. And for me, this is the perfect contour cum bronzer shade, I would say. You won't believe, guys, this is just for 450, 2 shades. It is highly pigmented, you guys. You won't believe. I will show you the swatches. Just look at it. So these are the 2 shades. This is my shade and this is a little bit darker for me. So if you're darker than me, you can definitely use this. Blends beautifully and so affordable, good in quality. It is not at all patchy. Next is the Mars highlighter, and this is the one product that I am very impressed among all these, I would say. So this is in the shade gold and you won't believe this costs just $2.49. And just look at the packaging, guys. It is a magnetic closure packaging. This shade is amazing, gorgeous, fabulous, I would say. Just look at this. It is so buttery. It's not at all patchy or so. I have worn this highlighter today and you can see how beautifully it doesn't increase the texture of your skin and show. It just beautifully blends. I absolutely love this for the price point and the quality and the result that it gives. I'm just looking at my mirror again and again just for the highlighter. Next is the Mars product. So this is again their I Belong in Your Purse eyeshadow in the shade Lit It Up. So this is how it looks like. A beautiful white colored packaging with a mirror and such a gorgeous 9 shade palette. This has a beautiful purples, glitters, shimmers and mattes, brown, pink, peach. So such a beautiful color pattern. I always wanted to try lilac or pink kind of a shade, so this was a perfect choice for me to buy. And yeah, Mars Cosmetics products are so cheap, you guys, and they are good in quality. And this also retails for just $2.49 for 9 shades, and the mirror quality is also so good. Also, I forget to tell about a product that I purchased at Nykaa. It's the e.l.f. Bite Size palette and it's in the shade Berry Bear. This is a very mini, handy, travel friendly palette. This has 4 shades, 2 metallic shimmers and 2 matte shades. One is a transition and is a good crease defining shade. The mattes and the shimmers both are highly pigmented. They are so blendable. Then I purchased a makeup brush set which I found to be affordable yet good in quality. Just I thought, okay, let's try it out because many of you have been asking me to share few affordable makeup brushes, because as a beginners we don't tend to invest more in makeup brushes, right? So I thought of, okay, let's try it just for you all and give my first impressions first, and I will try 2 or 3 times more and then give my complete review about it. So this is a 11-piece brush set which I've already used just for this look. First time, my first impressions of this makeup brush set will be up in the next weekend, so don't forget to check it out. This is a beautiful 11-piece brush set. It doesn't feel cheap, it's good in quality. The grip is very good, like you can just have it and use it. It is so good for the grip, and the bristles are so soft. You can see the bristles are so soft. I washed it just once to test it out before I let you know my thoughts on it. So I did not see any bristles falling out on any of these brushes. So I've tried this for this look. And the last item that I bought from Amazon is this organizer makeup brush, or beauty organizer, something like that. So I bought this for organizing my brushes, my beauty sponges, my hair accessories, and it has a drawer where I've kept my beauty sponges and makeup remover pads. And it looks cute to keep in my vanity also. Yeah, this is a good buy. And the last one is the House of Makeup Kajal, and I bought it in Vanity Vegan sale. And Vanity Vegan, if you do not know, it's a clean beauty website where all self-care and makeup products are available, and on their sale I got to try this one, and oh my god, it is insanely pigmented, so beautiful. I use this kajal to tightline my waterline and also draw this beautiful thin winged eyeliner, and I will let you know my opinions in the next video as I told you before. So that's that. This is the Nykaa and Amazon come just one product Vanity Vegan haul. That's it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you find such haul videos helpful, click the like button. Don't forget to comment below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share it to your friends and family. That's it guys, until next time, bye.